Hello and welcome to Hearing Healthcare Centre. In the past, we've reviewed many manufacturer apps for hearing aid control, and today we'll be reviewing Audibel's app, Audibel TruLink. The main purpose of the app is to grant users control over their hearing aids, with a few added extras we'll cover in a moment. So in terms of features, first of all, volume control. Similarly to other hearing aid applications, TruLink allows users to change the volume of their hearing aids dynamically, which includes adjusting each hearing aid independently. Additionally, you can also mute one or both of the hearing aids. Annoying noise to the right of you? Just mute the right hearing aid. On to TruLink memories. Hearing aids utilise programs. Programs are usually made up by your audiologist, giving you different modes for your hearing aids. For example, your audiologist might set up a restaurant program, which reduces background noise and focuses the microphones forwards. Once it's set up, you can switch between the program and your normal setting at will. TruLink has this feature of course, but it's been dubbed TruLink Memories. The app will come with a few pre-made default programs, with plenty of room for more later on. What's more is that you can now create the memories yourself, customizing them to your liking.
When you create each memory, TruLink will bring up its EQ faculty, sound space. Sound space adjusts the bass, treble and volume. It's actually quite nice the way sound space is laid out like a graph, allowing users to find their sweet spot for sound richness and volume. A unique feature of TruLink is that memories can actually be assigned to geotags, which are saved locations. So for example, you could set your location of work to automatically engage the default program. You could set it to automatically set your hearing aids to theatre mode whenever you're in the theatre, or restaurant mode whenever you're at your local favourite. It's a nice touch of autonomy on an otherwise user-controlled app. The TruLink app also allows users to actually use their phone as an additional microphone. This can help in certain situations. For example, if you're having dinner with just one person, you could turn your phone into microphone mode and place it in front of the person. That, combined with the hearing aid's innate ability to reduce background noise, will ensure you hear who you want to hear. You can also record audio directly from your phone.
As with most modern hearing aid applications, TruLink comes with tinnitus management. This works in the form of gentle sounds which play in the place of silence. People with tinnitus typically experience it at its worst in complete silence, and for this reason, it's nice to have a tool like this handy. For more information on tinnitus, you can find the link to our tinnitus video in the description below.
Users can set custom sound files which play through the hearing aids whenever your phone gets alerts. For example, a Facebook message. Another feature of the app is comfort mode, which according to Audibel aggressively tunes down volume while optimizing sound quality for very noisy environments, such as restaurants. Losing your hearing aid is one of the biggest fears for most users, so naturally manufacturers have put features in place to minimize this unfortunate occurrence. With the Find My Hearing Aids feature, you can see what the last known location of your hearing aids was. In other words, where they were last connected to the internet. When you launch this feature, you'll be given a visual map with the location of your hearing aid pinned. Once you're within the rough location, the app will show a gauge which will increase the closer you are to the hearing aids, so you can eventually navigate to their exact position. You will of course find a manual within the app as well as a help section for anybody struggling. The Audibel TruLink app is available for both Apple and Android devices, although it's worth noting that unfortunately, Audibel haven't yet released streaming for Android devices, which reduces its usefulness on the Android platform slightly. Android users will still get volume control, TruLink memories, sound space, tinnitus management, comfort boost, and Find My Hearing Aids, just not the streaming. If you're struggling to connect your hearing aids to your phone, you can click at the top of the screen now to be taken to our videos showcasing how to pair up your hearing aids to Android or Apple. We've also got several videos showcasing the other manufacturer apps available, such as Unitron's U-Control, Resound's 3D app and Otacon's OPN app, so check those out if you're interested. That just about wraps up all the features for the TruLink app by Audibel. We hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please subscribe for more helpful hearing related content. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.